Welcome to us the system developed by the Falcon coders. So we will assign the problem statement to, that is AI enhanced plant growth monitoring and the care system. We have named our system as a plant whisperer. So now let's dive into our system. So first, this is our home page. When the user come across our site, they will get the access of the various services, that is crop, fertilizer, and then inspection. A user can either access the services from the service tab, or they can access the service from the navigation tab. Now let's look at our first service, that is crop. In this, the user has to enter the various parameter condition, and the output will be the crop that will be best suited to grow in the particular condition. Let's take an example over here of Gujarat, and then city will be Anand, and predict. So this gives us the crop name that will be best suitable to grow on the given condition. Now next service would be fertilizer. Here when the user enters the input, they will get to know what would be the best fertilizer that should be suited for the given soil. So this would give the information about the fertilizer that to be used for the betterment of the soil. Then last service is inspection. In this, the user has to upload an image of the leaf of a plant, and it will detect the disease that the plant is affected. So let's take an example from the Google. Let's take the this leaf image and save it. Okay, now we will upload the file over here and then predict. Okay, so the result would be the disease with which the plant is affected.
So we have created several algorithms for our machine learning model, which includes decision tree, which has an accuracy of 0.99, and naive Bayes, which has an accuracy of 0.990, and SVM, support vector machine, which has an accuracy of 0.97. Fourth, logistic regression, which has an accuracy of 0.95. Uh, Random forest or RF, which has an accuracy of 0.9909. And lastly, XGBoost, which has an accuracy of 0.993. We have chose RF as our best algorithm to use for this model. Uh, Firstly, we have collected the data from various websites, databases, or APIs. Then we have processed the data, then cleaned it using Python module named Pandas. Then we have built a module. We have trained the module. Then we deployed the module in an algorithm which is scalable and is used for monitoring and logging. Then we gathered feedback from users for overall ML system, uh, so that the feedback loop algorithm will continuously optimize and refine the ML architecture.
Okay. तो algorithm which we have used, रुक जा मैंने कुछ बोल दिया. 1 2 3. The algorithm which we have used is random forest. It is an algorithm which has a learning method that constructs multiple decision trees during training and outputs the mode of classes or the mean of the prediction of the individual trees. So firstly, we trained the module based on certain input of data with various factors such as potassium, phosphorus, pH level, nitrogen, etc., which are the constituents of the soil, and based on it, trained the model, as Home said, with various algorithms. The best suited algorithm was suited, which is random forest, uh, and uh, the resulting data was stored locally. When the application was run over the project which we have created, it scans the file, and based on uh, the data learned by the algorithm, the output is displayed to the user. So in this way, our data flows through the application, and user is able to receive an optimized output.
So with this, we come to our last topic, that is our future plan. So we in future we are thinking of putting an authentication system for the user and to secure their data, and we are also thinking of maintaining a feature that will enable the user to get the access of the data locally. So this was our overall system. Thank you.